Hi again. We are going to read a really beautiful book that we like to read at my house, and it's called Forest Bright, Forest Night. Moon goes down, sun grows around. Hello, Forest Day. Leap and flash, deer splash. Climb and stumble, bear cubs tumble. Do you see the two bear cubs? 1, 2. There's even a 2 hiding in the tree, right there. Whittle and rap, woodpeckers tap. Can you see the 3 woodpeckers? There's one peeking out from the tree up here. Slither and slip, snakes whip. What sound does a snake make? Jabber and talk, blue jays squawk. Store and stash, squirrels dash. Oh my gosh, look at all those squirrels. They're so busy in the forest. Chatter and chase, chipmunks race. Strut and wobble, turkeys gobble. Look, there's the mama turkey, and she has some little babies. Here they are, up on the hill. And there's some people sleeping right below. Buzz and dip, bees sip. Who knows what sound a bee makes? Bzzz. Roost and nest, quails rest. Sun sinks, moon winks, hello forest night. Oh, the animals are gonna wake up now, the nocturnal ones. Hoot and perch, owl I search. The owl is awake at night, and look, now the deer is sleeping. Parade and plod, porcupines trod. Now the porcupines are waking up, and the bears are sleeping in their den. Climb and sneak, opossums peek. Yip and yowl, foxes prowl. Scurry and scramble, skunks amble. Ooh, I even see some juicy blackberries there. I love blackberries. Slither and slide, salamanders hide. Oh my gosh, can you see the salamanders? I see one there and one there. Oh, there's one in the water. They're kind of tricky to see. I even see the reflection of the tree in the water upside down. Nibble and crunch, mice munch. Paddle and swim, beavers trim. Jump and crawl, crickets call. Do you see there's the number 9? And here is the number 9. Flip and flop, frogs hop. And that's the end. Forest Bright, Forest Night by Jennifer Ward. Hope you enjoyed it.